Brett Adcock, the visionary behind companies like Vettery, Archer Aviation, Figure AI, and Cover, is now developing Hark, an AI startup focused on next-generation hardware services. Hark aims to serve as a seamless interface between humans and machine intelligence, with the bold goal of replacing cell phones within the next 3 years. For some, it might even become confused with a spiritual guide. While Meta and Apple have developed smart glasses and headsets that sit on the face, Brett Adcock has explored these and more, assembling a team of 100 brilliant engineers to create innovative interfaces, including devices worn on the shoulder. Hark is designed to interact naturally with you as you move through your day, offering reminders, internet research, home security monitoring, and even alerting authorities if needed. This technology is set to replace cell phones within 3 years. Hark will handle your calls automatically when appointments arise, remember your preferences, and provide personalized advice, acting as an incredibly intelligent companion. Available around the clock, it will enrich your life by being both an assistant and a friend, always ready to support you. This revolutionary device is poised to replace cell phones within the next 3 years. For Christians who have learned to recognize the voice of their spiritual guide, as Jesus said in John 10, "My sheep hear my voice," this new companion walking beside us could rival or even replace that divine connection. In other words, a technological substitute for the Holy Spirit may soon be at hand. He who has ears, let him hear.